Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today assured that the Mayang Imphal gang rape case will be completed within 2 months' time and that befitting punishment will be awarded to all those found guilty. A total of 4,732 people have died in the Northeast in 10,709 traffic accidents that took place in 2019, said a National Crime Records Bureau (NCRB) statistic. The highest traffic accidents took place in Assam, 8,651, followed by Tripura, 687, and Manipur, 672. At least 21 people were confirmed dead as a result of a gas explosion in the Baita Salah Jame Mosque located in the Narayanganj city of Bangladesh. Dozens of injured worshippers are still receiving medical treatment, the Dhaka Tribune newspaper reported. According to reports, the explosion occurred on the evening of Friday as people gathered in the mosque for the evening prayer. India's total coronavirus cases have gone past 40 lakh with a record rise of over 86,000 cases yesterday. India has become the third country in the world to surpass that mark following the United States and Brazil. The jump to more than 40 lakh cases comes only 13 days after India reached 30 lakh. The virus has killed nearly 8,70,000 people worldwide. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization or WHO has said that it does not expect global immunization or a vaccine to be out till mid-2021, even as US expects it out in a few weeks, while Russia has already launched one. Manipur has so far registered 6,883 coronavirus cases till now, with 36 fatalities. The government COVID-19 Command Control Room said Manipur's recovery rate is now 72.27%. It said the number of active cases in the state now stands at 1,872, while 4,975 have been discharged or recovered. Manipur Students Association Delhi, Masad, has urged the Manipur government to give befitting punishment to all culprits in the recent gang rape and murder case of a 14-year-old girl from Mayang, Imphal. Masad Cultural Secretary Somananda Kangchrakpam demanded prompt justice for the victim and her family. An earthquake with a magnitude of 4.3 on the Richter scale hit Nicobar Islands today at 6:38 a.m. as per the National Center for Seismology. According to a media report, the Seismology Department added that the depth of the earthquake was 82 kilometers. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are categorized in Zone 5 as they are seismically the most active region. Harauro Tangkham Gram Panchayat Pradhan Leishangthem Kulachandra and Khundrakpam Zilla Parishad member Thangjam Angobi today jointly inspected the progress of MG Narega 2019-20 works in the Panchayat area. They inspected an 800-meter-long drainage construction at Chinku Mayai Lekai. Pradhan Leishangthem Kulachandra assured that he will ensure the people of the Panchayat get all the benefits of the government-sponsored schemes. 4 persons were arrested by the security forces in Nagaland for smuggling opium seeds worth Rs 1.44 crore. A senior official yesterday informed that the persons were arrested after the forces were informed about their movement with the seized opium seeds, according to media reports.